first thing you need to do is be safe. Disconnect the appliance or turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Hello, today we're going to be working on a Frigidaire glass top stove. The model number, it's on the display. Now the problem that we are having with this model is that it's showing a F14 error code. Now after I troubleshoot it and read the paperwork and do some research, I find out that this has to do with the main control board and also the touchpad control board. So after I went through the whole process of checking for parts and everything, I find out that this is a very common problem with this type of Frigidaire stove, where everything is digitizer, everything is touch, and it creates a lot of error codes between the touchpad and the main control board. Now I start looking for the parts. As you see in this picture, we need the main control board, which is the part number 20, and this is what the price is, so you guys can see if it's worth it or not. My recommendation is replace the stove because this part is too expensive, but if you can afford the part, go ahead and replace it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.